Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be talking about Tesla and how we got some huge news which could lead to Tesla's stock price soaring on Monday, and y'all need to be prepared. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server. If you need help during trading hours, if you need help when market's closed, I'm here for you. We're super active. We post charts throughout the whole day. So if you need help, just join this chat and we'll be more than happy to have you. Let's get right into the exciting news and let's talk about what happened over the weekend. So this is dealing with Tesla cuts prices in China. Now, our article does say that this could be bad news for NIO, Li, and Xpeng. So there's a possibility that this could have a bad effect on NIO, but we'll get more on that later in the video. So they go on to say that Tesla is selling the Model Y for a new price of $52,000. That's a huge price cut. And then it goes on to compare, what the NIO's selling it for. So they're selling it for 368,000 yuan. So that's the Chinese dollar. Notice the big difference, right? So if I'm a consumer in China, then I'll more likely choose the Model Y over NIO's price just because it's a whole lot cheaper. Now then it goes on to say that there was other price cuts. The Model 3 was the Model 3's price was cut as well. So guys, Tesla has had a huge amount of price cuts that's happening in China, and it's basically because they're trying to make their prices more competitive so more consumers choose their car in China. China is a huge market for both Li Auto, Xpeng, and NIO, as well as Tesla. Now they're more likely to choose Tesla's car because it's a lot cheaper. That's the whole lookout that's happened today. The whole story has been unfolding. Basically, Tesla's cutting their prices so they can sell more cars in China. Now, what's this translate to their stock price? Well, if there's more cars being sold, more revenue for the company, which puts the company at a higher valuation. So you probably best expect a huge jump in the stock in the upcoming weeks, months, years. Now, this is going to be extremely beneficial to Tesla because they're going to have more consumers buying their products in China, and we already know that China is a huge market for electric vehicles. We have NIO, we have Xpeng, we have Li Auto, we have all these competitors and Tesla trying to compete and trying to get those consumers. Now Tesla's lowering their price a lot lower than their competitors, so more consumers are most likely going to be choosing their car now, which could see a surge in the stock price. Now, I broke down Tesla a video ago, talked about that we needed to hold several levels, some key levels on Tesla, and I'll re-break that down for you if we have some new viewers here. So I talked about on Thursday that we had a huge resistance here now at 718 just because that's all-time highs. So we made an all-time high on Tesla on Thursday. Now we did get rejected. We did push down. Now, we did find support and use support level around the $700 mark. Now, that's a psychological level. That's probably why we found that support there. Either way, buyers came in, so that's a new level now. Before these levels were created, so I'm going to go ahead and delete these so you can see where we were at. Before these levels were created, we were right here in this consolidation period. We were bullish above 655, and we got above that the day before on Wednesday. Then we just broke out and then held above 685. So I knew as long as we held above 685, we were bullish. And then finally, on Thursday, we had that continuation, and Tesla's just going crazy. Now, Monday, maybe we'll get a surge on this news. Who knows? Tesla's a cult-like following, like I said, so they may eat this news up and just push this price higher, past 750, past 800 over the next couple weeks, months and years, definitely. So this is huge news for Tesla, and I do expect some short-term reaction, bullish reaction to this news. So expect that on Monday, expect that jump up, and we'll just have to see what it holds for us. Now, either way, we do have a strong support. Let me put this level back down here at the $700 mark. We know buyers are here because sellers try to push price down, but buyers came in and pushed it back up. So either way, no matter what happens on Monday, if we fall below 700, then we're coming back down to 685. So no matter what happens on Monday, watch this 700 level. Now, as I mentioned before, we have a huge resistance here at all-time highs. We know that sellers are right here just because it is at all-time highs, and then we came screaming down. So 719, all-time high area, we need to get above that if we want to see some continuation on Monday. Either way, though, this is a huge story. We have so much unraveling now that they lowered their price. So let's see what NIO is going to have in response to that. Let's see what XPeng is going to respond. How are they going to respond to this? Because if I was this company, if I was NIO, Li Auto, and XPeng, I'd do it even lower if I could afford it. If it's, if it makes sense, then I'll lower my price as well. Because why would someone else choose, a higher priced car where they basically do the same thing? Tesla, XPeng, Li Auto, they all basically have the same electric vehicle. Keep in mind though, Tesla has sedan cars, and Li Auto, XPeng, and NIO right now at the moment only has SUV type cars, but NIO is coming out with their sedan, so keep that in mind as well. But either way, we'll have to see how this unfolds. We'll have to see, is this going to cause a bearish reaction on NIO on Monday? We'll just have to see. Either way, hopefully Tesla does get a surge from this, guys, though. But either way, you need to look at the all-time highs level at 719, and then ultimately the strong support at 700. No matter what happens, still looking at these levels on Monday, but this is exciting news. I'm really excited to see what Tesla is going to do on Monday. If you did enjoy this video, though, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's going to cause NIO to fall on Monday, or is Tesla just going to be the only one surging on Monday? Let me know. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video.